In today's lesson, I'm going to review with you what is a complementary and a supplementary angle. So if we have a problem like this that says, what is the complementary angle to angle CBT? So complementary angles add up to 90 degrees. So there's going to be two angles and they will add up to 90. So here we have a 90-degree angle. The little square means 90 degrees. So angle ABD, ABD is 90 degrees. So we could see that angle EBC, EBC is also 90 degrees because it is vertical opposite to angle ABD, right? It's opposite to that angle. As well, we know it's 90 degrees because these are crossed at exactly 90. So all of these angles here are 90 degrees. Okay, so it's a little bit of a trick question. It's kind of combining two concepts together. So these angles here will add up to 90 degrees. We could see that, right? This angle plus this angle will add up to 90 degrees. And we know that angle CBE is 90 degrees. So the complementary angle to angle CBT is EBT. So CBT and EBT are complementary because they add up to 90 degrees. Now let's look at the supplementary side. So supplementary angles add up to 180 degrees. This is a straight line. So this is the straight line. All these angles would add up to 180 degrees if we add them up. This one plus this one plus this one. But for this problem, we're looking for the supplementary angle to QRU. So here's QRU. So what angle will add to it to give 180 degrees? So this angle adds with QRU to equal 180 degrees, right? This is angle QRU, and then this little piece here will add up to 180 degrees. So the angle that adds with angle QRU to equal 180 degrees is angle URT. URT. We always put the vertex in the middle, okay? That's how we name the angles. And that's it. That's how you do that kind of problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. Anyone can do this. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's a link there to my ebook. You could download it. And in there, you'll find a link to this very video. And you can follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, there's links to other videos of mine that I've done that are similar if you need extra help. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.